Hello, today we're going to do a quick demo on how to publish a finished workbook to Tableau Public. The first step is to prepare your data to be able to be read by the Tableau Public server. Right now, you're using an Excel, CSV, or other text-based data source that is saved locally to your machine. To ensure that Tableau Public can access the data, we have to first extract the data, preparing it to be packaged with your workbook upon publish. To extract the data, we go to Data in the toolbar, hover over our data source name, and choose Extract Data. After you do this, you'll get a pop-up with multiple options. Today we're going to focus only on the filter option in the middle of the pop-up. You can see here that my pop-up is showing a filter option for a year of order date of 2020. This is because I have a filter applied to all sheets using this data source to filter it to 2020, and Tableau is automatically generating this data source filter. If you're publishing a subset of data that you'll not need to interact with on Tableau Public, you can keep this filter, but if I was using this year as a quick filter that I want my viewer to be able to change, I will definitely need to remove this filter from our extract options and ensure that the full extract is published. To remove it, select the filter and click Remove. If you'd like to add an additional filter that Tableau did not automatically generate, you can click Add, choose a field, and then add your filter criteria just as you would as you add a filter to any worksheet. Note that the filter option here can be super helpful when you're publishing a visualization that only requires a portion of a large data set. Remember that publishing the bare minimum data will typically help to ensure performance of your dashboard on Tableau Public, just as it would on Tableau Server or Tableau Online. Once we've made our selections on the filter, we can then click the Extract button in the bottom right-hand corner. This will pop up a Save As window where you can choose where your extract will be saved to. Go ahead and rename this really quick and click Save. Keep in mind that you'll have to repeat this process for all data sources in a workbook. After saving the file, your workbook is ready to be published. The next step is to go to the Server tab on the toolbar, go all the way to the bottom, hover over Tableau Public, and choose Save to Tableau Public As. This will prompt you to sign into Tableau Public, so go ahead and do that. After doing so, you'll name your workbook as you want it to appear on your Tableau Public site and click Save. So we will name this Superstore Sales 2020 and click Save. Tableau is now packaging your visualization for the web, and once it's done, the viz will display in a browser window as it's doing here. At this point, your work is published. From here, you can either close the window or scroll to the bottom of the page and make changes to the details of your workbook. To do so, you just click this Edit button, and you can add anything from a permalink where you might embed the workbook on a personal website, cite another Tableau Public visualization as inspiration, or add something to the description. That's it. You're done, and you've published your first Tableau Public visualization. Now get out there and share it with the community, and be sure to come back and publish more. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, or just want to connect, you can find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Tableau Public at the links in the description.